Hey there, welcome back, and in this video we will check out the ternary operator. As the name suggests, this operator will operate on 3 operands. Now we have already checked the binary and unary operator examples. Let me revisit the binary and unary operator, and that will give you a better understanding to understand the ternary operator. For example, if I initialize a variable, for example the name of the variable as x, and I initialize this with value 5. Now in this operation we are simply assigning the value 5 to x, and the operator which we are using is equals to. As a result, the equals to operator is a binary operator. So the bottom line is, whenever the operator operates on 2 operands, that's a binary operator. Let me show you a couple of more example of binary operations. If I say x multiplied by 5, this is a binary operation, right? Likewise, I can say 5 plus 5. Again, this is a binary operation. In place of plus symbol, I can also make use of minus symbol or modulo symbol. It is an example of binary operation. So the bottom line is, if the operands are 2, then the operation would be a binary operation and the operator is a binary operator. Now moving forward, we have also checked a unary operator. Now the unary operator in Java is not symbol. Let me show you. In here, for example, if I create a boolean variable and I say not true. Now this not operation is performed on this value true, and this is it. This is performing the inversion of this true. As a result, the value inside this x would be false. Let me show you this. Now this not operation is a unary operation. Let me show you some more information. For example, if I say 4 greater than 5. So in this case as well, this is a complete operation, and the output of this operation would be a boolean value, and we are simply inverting the boolean value which we receive from this operation. So the overall point is, the unary operator will only act on a single operand. In this case, the single operand is this complete operation, which is in between this pair of parentheses. So whenever the operator will act only on single operand, those kind of operators are unary operator. So now moving forward, let us check the ternary operator. Now let me get rid of all of these statements first of all. Now the ternary operator is little different, and there is only one ternary operator in Java. Now first of all, we need to assign the value into a variable, which is a requirement for making use of the ternary operator. So let us first of all add in a variable boolean x. Alright, so moving forward, in here we will assign the value to x, and the ternary operator is question mark colon. Alright, so before this question mark there would be a operation, right? Now based on the operation, the question mark or the colon part would be executed. Let me show you this. So first of all, in here I will add in a very simple statement which would be like 5 is greater than 4. So the condition is true, right? And the true part would be the question mark part. So I will type in true, and in the colon part I will type in false. Alright, so I suppose you are getting this. Moving forward, I will simply print out the output, and the output would be inside the variable x. So in order to make you understand, I am taking a very simple example in here. Let me execute this, and the output is true. The bottom line is, first part of this ternary operator would be always a operation, and based on this operation, either true or false part would be executed, and whatever part would be executed, the value would be assigned to the variable. For example, in this question mark part, I won't be able to print out anything. For example, if I try to sys out in here, even Eclipse will not give me proposal. And for example, if I try to copy this line of statement from here and paste it, and let me refactor this a little and try to print some weird testing text in here, then there would be a syntax error. Means the bottom line is, the question mark and the colon part, the question mark part and the colon part should be always some value that could be assigned to the variable, and the variable should be of same type. For example, in here the variable of boolean type, so the boolean can contain the value true or false, so there is no issue. And the first part should be a operation. So little confusing, and we will check more example using the ternary operator so that the concept would be more cleaner in your mind. As of now, let us quickly summarize this statement once again. First part would be assignment part. The overall operation would be performed, and based on your operation the assignment would be assigned. Now, as this is a complex kind of operator, let us quickly try to re-summarize this once again. First of all, we would be performing some operation, and based on the operation either question mark or the colon part will get executed and the value would be assigned to the variable. Pretty simple. For example, if I change this particular operation, in that case what would be the output? Definitely the condition is false, then the colon part will get executed. Now always remember this, the question mark part is the true part, the colon part is the false part. Alright, so let us get rid of all these statements and we will take up a brand new example in order to understand the ternary operator. Let me also print the value in X, and this will in turn give us a compile time error. Alright, so now moving forward, in here we will make use of the ternary operator. So first of all, we would require a variable. The final value would be assigned to the variable. So the variable is X, so this is we know. Then there would be operation. The operation would be of boolean type. The operation could be either true or false. So in here we will say, for example, 10 equal to 9. Now this is a false statement, right? So the colon part will get executed, right? So I will type in question mark and I will say true symbolizes 1. So we will say 1 colon 0. So if 0 would be the output, then the false part is getting executed, and if 1 is the output, then definitely the true part got executed. So let me show you. 0 is the output because the condition is false. Now for example, if I say X equals to 9, now this is a assignment operator, so definitely this will not work. So the operation should be a boolean operation. So that is one more thing. Now let me do one more thing. In here if I say 10 equal to 10, then definitely the true part will get executed. Now in here you are able to see some kind of warning because there is a dead code in here. So in here, for example, I type in X equals to 10 and I say 10 equals to X, then the dead code warning will get vanished because now we are making use of variable and the value of the variable could be anything. So first of all, we are checking out the value of X and then we are reassigning the value of X. And the value of X should be converted to 1 because the condition is true as if now. So this was the ternary operator. It is little tricky to use many times, and definitely this is not a replacement of if. So use it with caution, and in fact in my personal experience the usage of this ternary operator is kind of very rare. Alright, so this was it for today's lecture. I will catch you in the next video with a new explanation. Take care. Thanks for watching.